Have you ever pondered what the future holds with the rise of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a fascinating and complex field that has been evolving and growing since the mid-20th century. It's an intriguing blend of computer science, psychology, and even philosophy. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll be exploring how AI is becoming increasingly influential in various sectors. It's enhancing healthcare by aiding in diagnostics and treatment plans. In transportation, AI is steering us towards a future with self-driving cars. And in various industries, it is revolutionizing processes, boosting efficiency, and driving innovation. Yet AI is not just about algorithms and machines. It's a reflection of our society and our values. It's a tool that, in the right hands, can help solve some of our most pressing problems. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly bring many benefits but also pose significant challenges. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed and treated even before symptoms appear. This is not a figment of science fiction, but a burgeoning reality, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. AI has been making leaps and bounds in healthcare, enabling early diagnosis of conditions like cancer, heart disease, and even mental health disorders. It sifts through vast amounts of data and identifies patterns and anomalies that the human eye might miss. The result? More accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans, leading to improved patient outcomes. Transportation is another sector that's being revolutionized by AI. Autonomous vehicles powered by sophisticated AI algorithms are poised to redefine our commutes, making them safer and more efficient. By processing real-time data from sensors and cameras, these self-driving cars can navigate complex traffic situations, reducing accidents and congestion. AI also aids in optimizing public transit routes and schedules, significantly improving the commuting experience for urban dwellers. Let's not forget about the influence of AI on various industries. In agriculture, AI-powered drones and robots are being used for precision farming, monitoring crop health, and automating routine tasks. This not only boosts productivity, but also contributes to sustainable farming practices. In the manufacturing sector, AI enhances supply chain efficiency, reduces downtime with predictive maintenance, and facilitates the design of innovative products. AI even assists in disaster management. It can predict natural disasters, help in planning evacuations, and coordinate rescue efforts, thus reducing the impact and saving lives. And what about the creative realm? AI is showing its flair here as well, helping generate music, craft compelling stories, and even design stunning visual art. All these examples underline the transformative power of AI. However, they represent just a fraction of its potential. As AI continues to evolve, it's set to penetrate even deeper into our lives, shaping our future in ways we can only begin to imagine. These advancements are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential of AI. But what happens when the machines we create become smarter than us? This question raises a host of ethical dilemmas and societal challenges brought about by the rise of artificial intelligence. Firstly, let's consider job displacement due to automation. As AI systems become more efficient, they are increasingly capable of performing tasks traditionally done by human workers. From manufacturing to customer service, various sectors are feeling the impact. The potential for mass unemployment is a serious concern, as machines could replace human labor in numerous industries. Yet it's not just about jobs. Privacy concerns stemming from data collection are another major issue. AI systems often rely on huge amounts of data to operate effectively. This data could include sensitive information about individuals, which, when used improperly, could lead to serious invasions of privacy. Moreover, the pervasive nature of AI in our lives has led to fears of constant surveillance, an unsettling prospect for many. And then there's the issue of bias. AI systems learn from the data they're fed, and if that data reflects societal biases, the AI will perpetuate those biases. This can lead to unfair outcomes in critical areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. It's a stark reminder that AI is only as good as the data it learns from, and this data is often flawed due to human biases. These challenges have profound implications for society and individual lives. They raise questions about equity, fairness, and the very nature of work. They also force us to confront uncomfortable truths about the biases inherent in our society and the potential dangers of unchecked technological advancement. These challenges underscore the need for careful thought and regulation as we continue to develop and implement AI technologies. As we navigate this brave new world of AI, it's crucial that we keep these ethical dilemmas and societal challenges at the forefront of our minds. After all, the goal of AI should be to enhance our lives, not to undermine our values or jeopardize our livelihoods. How do we strike a balance between harnessing the power of AI and mitigating its potential risks? Well, the answer lies in ethically sound frameworks, effective regulatory measures, and an engaged society. The development and use of AI should not be a free-for-all. Rather, it requires a robust ethical foundation. These ethical frameworks should ensure fairness, accountability, and transparency in AI systems. They should guide how AI is designed, developed, and deployed to prevent misuse and mitigate harm. For instance, fairness can help prevent discriminatory biases in AI algorithms, while accountability can ensure those who misuse AI are held responsible. Transparency, on the other hand, can help users understand how AI decisions are made, fostering trust in these systems. Regulatory measures are another critical aspect of managing AI. They set legal boundaries for what is permissible and what is not. These measures should be flexible enough to adapt to rapid technological changes, yet firm enough to prevent harmful practices. They should ensure that AI is used for the greater good rather than individual gain. Governments, international organizations, and regulatory bodies play a crucial role here, creating laws and policies that guide AI development and use. However, the responsibility of shaping the future of AI does not rest solely with policymakers and technologists. Society, too, has a significant role to play. Public awareness and engagement are essential in ensuring that AI is developed and used in a way that aligns with societal values and needs. Public dialogue and participation can help shape the direction of AI, from influencing its design and development to deciding how it should be used and regulated. In conclusion, navigating the AI landscape is a complex task that requires a delicate balance between technological innovation and societal considerations. It's not just about creating the most advanced AI systems, but also about ensuring that these systems are used in a way that benefits society as a whole. The future of AI is not just about technological advancement, but also about ensuring that such advancements benefit society as a whole. As we stand on the brink of an AI-driven era, the path forward is complex. We've explored the multifaceted realm of artificial intelligence, taking a deep dive into its potential to revolutionize sectors like healthcare, transportation, and various industries. We've celebrated the promise of improved efficiency and the tantalizing prospect of breakthroughs yet undiscovered. Yet we've also confronted the ethical quandaries and societal challenges that AI presents. The specter of job displacement, the looming concerns over privacy, and the hidden biases in algorithms that can perpetuate social inequalities. This conversation about the future of AI is not just for scientists or policymakers, it's a conversation for all of us. As we shape the future of work, governance, and human-machine interactions, we must ensure responsible AI development. We must address societal concerns while embracing the technological advancements that AI brings. The future of AI is in our hands, and it's up to us to navigate this new frontier responsibly.